Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox white screen glitch. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix Roblox if you're experiencing white screen? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Right, so why is my Roblox screen white? It's either corrupted components, third-party services, network issue, and temporary problems. So how do you fix this? Before trying out the main solutions, you need to ensure that both the web browser and the Roblox app are up to date. So check those out. In your web browser, after accessing the Roblox website, click on the play icon for a game and then click always allow www.roblox.com to open links of this type in the associated app and click on open Roblox. After that, run the Roblox app as an administrator to see if it helps. And lastly, try to disable your antivirus and your firewall to see if that works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.